How to change notification sound on Discord mobile. So if you want to change notification sound on Discord mobile, then first you need to open up your Discord application. Once you open your Discord, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you hear profile, go for the settings, which is on the upper right. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go for notifications. Here you will have notifications option. Under notifications, make sure that you have turned on all of your notifications, and once you've turned on your notifications, and now tap on the system notifications, which has get notifications outside of Discord. And here you need to go for incoming calls. For example, if you go for the incoming calls, here you will have default ringtone, right? But if you want to change the ringtone sound or the notification sound of the incoming calls, then scroll down and here you will have default. Tap on the default or tap on the sound, and under sound it has the app provided sound. But if you want to change that, then you will have all of these ringtones. You can choose any ringtone that you would like to add to your Discord calls, and you can change your notification ringtone or notification sound right here. So you can choose all of these notifications sounds. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.